By is used with a gerund to talk about how something is done. Turn the TV on by pressing the green button on the remote control. Save money on your phone bill by switching supplier. The thieves entered the house by breaking a window. Use with to refer to the object used. The thieves broke the window with a hammer. By plus a noun can indicate how someone pays, communicates, or travels. I'll pay by credit card. Do you accept payment by PayPal? I can send it by email or by post. We're traveling by car, by bus, by plane, or by train. However, if there is a determiner with a method of transport, use in that car or on a bus, plane, or train. We're going on the 10 a.m. train. By with time. By means not later than. The package will be here by Friday. By this time next year, I'll have mastered English. By the time means when. And remember that after when, use the present simple for the future. Will dinner be ready by the time I get home? It will be 11 p.m. by the time we get to the hotel. By can also mean during. Superman, mild-mannered reporter by day, crime fighter by night. By with places. By means beside or at the side of. There's a nice pub by the river. You'll see the post office right by the bank. By and near have similar meanings, but by refers to a shorter distance. It's closer than near. The pub is near the church, right by the river. By can also indicate movement past something. She walked by the house without stopping, but she waved as she went by. By is used to talk about numbers. For example, the animals entered Noah's Ark 2 by 2. By is used to talk about measurements. The kitchen is 3 meters by 2. And by is used to talk about multiplication and division. Multiply by 2.54 to convert inches to centimeters. 2 by 28 equals 56. 28 divided by 2 is 14. We use by with a name to indicate the author or composer of creative works. Don Quixote by Miguel de Cervantes. Sunflowers was painted by Van Gogh. I think Purple Rain is the best song by Prince. And we use by with passive voice to say who did the action. The package will be delivered by FedEx. Who was the cake made by? The cake was made by Susan. We were told to wait by the steward. By with a reflexive pronoun means alone. He lives by himself. The washing machine turns off by itself when the program finishes. I can make dinner by myself, but you could help by laying the table. And you can add the word all for emphasis. Did they decorate this room all by themselves? They did a great job. It's beautiful.